video from Colored in Confetti. In today's video, I will be talking about at-home gel manicures. I wanted to share this information because at the time, I didn't have a lot of time to go sit in a nail salon for 1.5 to 2 hours, and also gel manicures can be very expensive. So I figured, how can I do this at home and save money while doing it? I wanted to share this information because I don't have a lot of time to sit in a nail salon for 1 to 2 hours, and also I wanted a more cost-effective way to do my nails at home without spending $30, $40 every time I visit the nail salon. The first thing I did was do my research and read reviews from Amazon. I knew that I needed a good UV lamp, and I purchased this one. It's from the brand Cocoa Skin. They no longer sell this anymore, but there are many other options. You just kind of got to do the reviews. In the search description of Amazon, just type in UV lamp for gel nails and you'll get many options that pop up, ranging anywhere from $20 to as high as you want to go. That I don't think you really need to spend a whole lot of money on a lamp. I think I paid around $25, $30 for this. The base and top coat that I use are from the brand Amy Lee, and they were about $10 for a set that included both the base and the top coat, and these are some of the highest rated base and top coats on Amazon. Again, just search base and top coat in the description and these pop up right away with over like 5,000 positive reviews. Next, you'll need a gel manicure color, and this is from the brand CND in the color Coquette. Amazon has really great options. You can buy packs that have 6 or more colors for around $15. They have pastels, they have darker colors for the fall, just kind of whatever your preference is. Again, read the reviews. Most of them are positive. You just kind of want to trust what other people are saying. The first step is going to be shaping your nails. You just take any file will work, and you're just going to shape your nails to whatever shape is suiting to you. Step 2 will be applying your base coat. You want to start with an even amount from the applicator and just kind of ensure that you get even application over all the nails, and make sure you do one hand at a time, and once you're done with all 5 nails, you will place it inside the UV lamp and cure for 60 seconds. Step 3 is going to be applying the polish to the nails. You'll want to do the same thing as the base coat by starting out in the middle with an even application and ensuring that you coat each nail. I typically do 2 coats, but making sure to cure after the first coat. You put it into cure for 60 seconds and then reapply your second coat and also cure for another 60 seconds. Step 4 is applying the top coat. It's going to be the same thing as all the previous steps. This is just your shine, your gel shine coat. You want to get a thin layer of this because it can be pretty goopy and you will end up with big spots on your nails if you go too thick. So you want to go with a little bit less first and then kind of apply as you need it. And once you've applied to all the nails, you then cure for a final 60 seconds. Once you've completed your first hand, you're going to obviously want to do the same steps on the opposite hand, the exact same steps. And I know if you're a first time or if you're a beginner at this, it might seem overwhelming, like it's really time consuming. It's really not. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and with practice you will get better. At first it might be a little bit sloppy, but you will get better and it will be very easy and it will save you a ton of time and a ton of money. If you like today's topic, you can visit my blog, which will be linked in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Have a nice day!